Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warm good morning to everyone. Hope you all are good, healthy, happy. Welcome back to our computer class. Uh, Last week I started MS Paint, Draw and Color, and really I appreciate to each and every student who sent to me that beautiful work. Really I appreciate to everyone and claps for them. Really very beautiful. You gave the time, you did the practical. I feel so happy. Thank you so much. Means you understand that concept, drawing lines, right? So please continue the practical also. If you want, make like dolls and whatever you want, make and do the color. Okay, so I want to continue the MS Paint, draw and drawing. So see, you can see the ribbon here, home tab, lines tool, and this lines also here, shapes also, shapes and lines here, special lines for the thickness, thinness, like that. And here is the color box. So help of these lines and shapes, drawing like this, making hash. Okay, so you already did this, alhamdulillah. Now this is only line tool. It is called, this is line tool, slipping, standing, slanting, using here. Okay, so now come to the rectangle tool. About rectangle we will study about that. Okay, the rectangle tool is used for drawing rectangles and square. If you are making the corners same and the lines also measurement is same, it is called square. And which one is up and down lines is big and right and left side line small, and the length is like this. See, this shape is called rectangle. Which one is, you can see drawing lines 5.2, this is the rectangle shape. Even this is the like rectangle shape. See here, making the boxes, so rectangle shape. Okay, click the home tab, click rectangle from tool groups, select a color for rectangle, outline from color group, bring the mouse pointer into work area, click and drag and draw the rectangle, release the mouse button when the rectangle is of desired size. Which one you want deserve, means drawing area, go to the drawing area, and go after that you go to the here shapes, take the rectangle shapes and select rectangle and draw it. After release the mouse, see you can change the lines also, and you will fill easily here. Here again you can see here home tab and rectangle shape. You took already rectangle shapes and drag, take here shapes and mouses, change the shapes and it become a rectangle shape. When you will dragging it, coming the rectangle, or if you want the square you can. Okay, then after that you select the line color and as well as fill the boxes. Okay, so drawing figures using rectangle, this is before you use the lines, now you use a rectangle, but you already use that all rectangle, circle, you are making the houses, something is different you are making, and whatever you make, alhamdulillah, you used all slipping line, standing line, slanting line, curve, zigzag, whatever shapes there, you all utilize also, you already utilized. Okay, now come to the press and hold the shift key for drawing perfect square. If you want any shapes, then please hold the for a time when you are drawing. During that time you should put the shift key, so it come exact and beautiful. Okay, see, rounded rectangle, this before it is sharp, see the corners are here sharp, and after that you are using the, it's smooth, not rounded. See here corner are rounded, so process is same like that, but see rounded rectangle tool is used to the drawing rectangle and the square with rounded edges. Edges means like this see, this is the edges. And to draw rounded rectangle, follow the given step. First click the home tab, second click this shape and rounded rectangle from shapes group. Select the outline color from color group. Move the mouse pointer to the working area, click and drag to draw the shapes. A rectangular outline appear while you drawing. Drag the mouse, release the mouse button when the rounded rectangle shape is of desired size. Okay, it's so easy. Just for the practice you also do this work. Okay, that sharp edges are sharp or this rounded, so it is called use of rounded rectangle tool. The process is same for rectangle, square and rounded rectangle. Okay dear all, if any doubt you have, please come online classes and ask me. Okay dear all, here is the ellipse tool. Ellipse tools, same process, only we are changing the shapes only. Okay, to draw an oval or a circle, follow the given steps. Circle, click the home tab, click oval or ellipse tool from the shapes group, select the outline. Outline means this, see it's not a black, it's a colorful. From the color group, move the mouse pointer to the working area. This is the, I told before also, the working area. Click and drag the mouse. When you want to select here and bring here, then use the shift key for the perfect shape. Click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Release the mouse button when the desired shapes and the size is drawn. I hope you understand this. It's so easy. You already use the shapes. See, you are making the houses, mountains, clouds, sun and many things, tree and even streets, everything. So already I used them. Okay, same process you go for the rectangle, square or ellipse tool. Now come to the curve tool. Curve tool is used for drawing curve. To draw curve, follow the given steps. Click the home tab, click, this is line, see, curve tool from the shapes group. Select the outline color from color groups. Move the mouse pointer to working area. See here, this is the working area and using this curve tool, and drag mouse to draw and shapes. Pull off, push the curve to change the shape of curve. Means up and down you will just make. It's so easy, it's not a horrible or it's difficult. Okay, it's easy. Smoothly go to the home tab, which color you want, see here ribbon, which color you want, which shape. The process is going to home tab like that. All process same, but only you change here the shapes. You want standing line, slipping line, curve, zigzag, oval tool, oval, rectangle, square, whatever shape you want, you can select from this. Select shape group. Okay, so I think alhamdulillah you understand this, and I'm so surprised and I feel so happy, because when I started and I explained to you draw like that, you followed me and you done the work beautifully. Thank you so much once again. Okay, so thank you so much, take care, bye.